Hello there, welcome to my new video. As part of my font making learning adventure, I was searching for a way to export all glyphs of a font as SVG files from FontForge and found this solution from Stack Overflow. But the problem with this FontForge command was it won't allow us to save the SVG to a specific location, and uppercase or lowercase letters will get rewritten to one file. For example, we cannot save uppercase A and lowercase a with the same name. So what's the solution for this? I posted this as a question on FontForge GitHub repo, and a user named KamilLanda provided a very detailed and working command to solve it. Thanks to him, this tutorial is based on his answer. I will post the link to his answer in the video description. Let's jump right in. First, we need to create a copy of the FontForge project. Then create a new folder and name it SVG or Glyph if you would like to export the glyphs in Glyph file format. Now open the FontForge project file by double-clicking on it. Go to File and select Execute Script. You can also press the shortcut that is Ctrl plus full stop. In the newly opened window, select the FF radial button, which stands for FontForge. Let's type the command. I will provide them in the description so you can easily copy it and paste it here. Let me explain each command so that you will understand what's happening. Select all will select all the glyphs in the font. Unlinked reference will unlink the references between two glyphs. For example, like the grave accent. This command is important to get the exact output. You can read the FontForge documentation to know more about references, which I will link below. Since we need the output in the same directory as SFT file, we can just type the name of the folder we created inside the export command. In case you want the output to a folder in a different directory, you will have to type the entire path here. %n will add the glyph name and %e will add the glyph encoding to the file. This is very important to get an uppercase letter not overwritten by a lowercase or vice versa. Following that, you can type the file format you want, either SVG or Glyph. Click OK and you can check the folder to find all the glyphs in SVG or Glyph format. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and feel free to comment your thoughts. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell for updates on new videos.